Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a true icon in the world of superbikes, the new 2026 BMW S 1000RR. Known for its blistering performance, cutting-edge technology, and precision engineering, the S 1000RR has long been the weapon of choice for riders who demand the very best. The 2026 model takes everything BMW Motorrad has perfected over the years and refines it to deliver an even more electrifying experience. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new superbike a masterpiece of modern engineering. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR brings a sharper, more aerodynamic design inspired by the world of MotoGP. The signature asymmetrical headlamps are gone, replaced with a sleeker, unified LED setup that enhances its aggressive stance. Revised bodywork channels airflow more efficiently, reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. The new lightweight frame and carbon fiber components not only enhance performance but also give the bike a menacing, track-ready look. With bold new color options and redesigned graphics, the S 1000RR looks as fast as it rides. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 S 1000RR lies BMW's latest 999 cubic centimeters shift-cam Inline-4 engine, delivering over 210 horsepower and lightning-fast acceleration. The engine refinement offers smoother power delivery across the rev range, while the lightweight chassis improves handling and agility. A new electronic suspension system adapts instantly to riding conditions, and the advanced quickshifter ensures seamless gear transitions. Whether on the racetrack or open highway, this bike promises breathtaking performance and precision. Safety and technology. BMW's obsession with innovation continues with the S 1000RR's advanced electronics suite. It features dynamic traction control, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and launch control for ultimate confidence. The full-color TFT display provides real-time data and connectivity options, while the new 6-axis IMU ensures stability and safety in every corner. Optional features like the GPS data logger and lightweight M battery make it even more track-focused. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR represents the perfect blend of power, control, and sophistication. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of performance engineering at its finest. With its aggressive new design, upgraded powertrain, and advanced electronics, the new RR continues to dominate both track and street. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more reviews, first looks, and updates on the world's most exciting machines.